Men who make the best boyfriends and husbands often share certain behaviors that set them apart. Here are 11 key traits that they typically display. Emotional support: they are there for you during both good and bad times, providing comfort and encouragement. Active listening: they genuinely listen to you, making you feel heard and valued, and are engaged in conversations. Respect for boundaries: they respect your personal space and boundaries, understanding the importance of individuality in a relationship. Affectionate: they show love and affection consistently, making sure you feel cherished and appreciated. Trustworthy: they are reliable and honest, building a strong foundation of trust in the relationship. Empathetic: they understand and share your feelings, making them compassionate partners who can relate to your experiences. Supportive of your goals: they encourage you to pursue your dreams and ambitions, celebrating your successes and helping you through challenges. Responsible: they take responsibility for their actions and are dependable, making them reliable partners in both small and significant matters. Sense of humor: they can lighten the mood and bring joy into the relationship, making even tough times easier to bear. Good communicators: they express their thoughts and feelings openly, fostering a healthy and transparent relationship. Respect for equality: they see you as an equal partner, valuing your opinions and decisions as much as their own. These behaviors contribute to a healthy, balanced relationship, making these men ideal partners in both dating and marriage.